So it's late November, it's quite cold. I've got 4 degrees saying it's outside at the moment. This will be my third roof inspection today. This is an inspection for a customer who's renewing his insurance, so it's a roof condition survey. And hopefully it's not going to be as icy up on this particular roof as it has been on the last 2. So let's go up and have a look. So first thing I've got to do is put the camera in a position, and I didn't really get a great one this particular time, but you can see the loft hatch that I just came out of just there in front of you. Now I'm going to get my pole out so that I can walk around the perimeter of the roof and make sure that I'm well in, because this is really high up, this roof. Now you can see I'm standing a little bit further back here, and I like to take photographs rather than video at this particular point because I can analyse the photographs much better than I can with video. So I go around the whole perimeter just looking at the just going around, standing well back and taking and having a look at the roof. Now let's just stop it here. Now although this tile has slipped, I don't actually have to report this because I'm only here to report defects on the flat roof. So I will report that to the customer, but I won't be reporting it to the insurance company. It won't go on the report. But now I've got to look over the whole roof and just have a look, identify any problems which are on it, and just have a good look around. I mean, things like this, I mean, this hasn't been finished off properly, but it's not a problem. It's not leaking. That should have been really much higher up there and finished off, but they've got the felt really tight, so I'm not really worried about that. That'll get a clean bill of health. Not too sure about that. We've got a bit of water going down the back, so I'll probably mention that, but it's not something that is going to make me not give a good report. Now you look at this crack's quite deep. There's a few of them like this on this roof, but again, they can be repaired. So my recommendations will be something like this roof is a nice old asphalt roof. It is getting towards the end of its lifespan. However, with maintenance and some repairs, especially with these cracks, like look, there's another one here. These cracks can all be easily repaired. I mean, obviously it's an old roof. We can see that with all the cracks. It's had repairs in the past, but this is doing really well. You could easily maintain this, make good all the cracks, paint it all with more solar reflective paint, and this roof will last another 5, 6, 7, 8 years. So it doesn't necessarily need to be replaced. The flashings are not right in the wall. There's lots of things which are not right, but that's going to be the same on all roofs. I'm here to give an appraisal of the condition of the roof, and as far as I'm concerned, yes, this is an old roof, but is actually in relatively good condition. A couple of photographs from high up so that I can put them in the report. How I get these high up photographs is by taking my stick and just bringing it up high up and having a look around. Excellent view of London around here, by the way. Anyhow, hopefully this has been informative to you. If you need any more information on how we do our reports, or you need a report on a roof, please get in touch. Speak soon.